All right, so these are new laptops that we had just got in from donation. I'm putting Windows 10 on it. I'm using this thing right here. Uh, got 45 of these. When I looked inside of them, they say 32 gigabytes of RAM. Uh, they just didn't have any hard drives. They're Core i7s. So what I'm doing now, for now, I'm salvaging. These were the laptops that this school was using before. I'm taking the hard drives out of these. There's some more stuff over here that I probably need to look through. Take them all out, wipe them clean, and then put them on the new laptops for now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and probably see if the principal can order some new hard drives. These are Chromebooks. Have to finish going through these. But yeah, we have new tech in. Alright, so I'm taking all the trash out. I'm gonna sit here and the guys recycling electronics is gonna come up and grab this. But yeah, a lot of old stuff. So let's get here. I got the guy getting the rest of the stuff down the hall. Saw the empty space now. There was a ton of junk here. We just want to get ahead and gonna go ahead and get this TV here, and I'll probably schedule another appointment. But for now, yeah, we cleaning up. Okay, so we're doing the room. You have the check-in and check-out area. If anyone in the building needs devices, computers, Chromebooks, it's all going to be on this wall here. Here, you have the repair station, laptops that need to add hard drives to. You have some tools, label printer right there, some stuff that I need to move out, some things that still need to be fixed. And here, this is some trash I gotta take out. But this area is gonna be like the help desk area. So emails, if employees or teachers or whatever, whoever needs an issue fixed, communications are here. This, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this area yet. Probably networking. That's the main controller. And yeah, there's another room that I'm gonna make turn into a networking room so students can learn how to build networks. But yeah, here it is. Before it was just trash all in this area. I still have to put some stuff in the cabinets. There was some old stuff in there, so I took it out and I'm gonna organize some stuff. This is actually gonna go into that room I was talking about earlier, where students could learn networking, switches. Yeah, so this is gonna be fun. So yeah, the room still feel like a mess, but it's getting there. Like, all right, guys, before I close it out today, so this is the repair table. So these are new, donated laptops we got. They don't have any hard drives in them, so what I'm doing, I'm taking the hard drives out of these older laptops that really can't be used anymore, and testing them, running them, make sure they're good, installing them into the newer ones, and they work really good. And I install Windows 10 Pro 1903, and then I just upgraded to 20H2 or whatever it's called. Do all the labeling, sit in here, and then I go here and put them where they need to go. So these are Chromebooks. This is the Chromebooks table. This is where all the computers, laptops will be. These older ones might switch those to the hard drives out of those and put them in the new ones. Got some screens, some switches, printer, more printers. some of these older projectors. Here, the printer I have to look and fix, see what's wrong with it. And some more Chromebooks, chargers for those laptops, speakers. But yeah, this room was looking crazy before. It was trash all over here, and it was just you couldn't even move around in this area. So this is actually going to go in the computer room, the computer lab for testing networking and all of that stuff I gotta fix still. We're gonna go to the computer lab one quick second. Okay, so this is the computer lab that I had fixed up a while back. You know, there were cables and wires all on the floor. I fixed all of that. There was a switch on the corner over here, right next to the window, so it was increasing the heat. I took that out because I fixed the IDF here. There was a switch that wasn't working. So I replaced it. These gray cables I created, and I gotta finish that, but I'm gonna go on break for now. Let's see. So the IDF, the second networking tower, I was thinking of putting here, maybe sitting it right here for a computer class, and it can test how to create networks and all of that. Maybe have like a table here. They can like learn about Cisco, how to build their networks, yada yada yada. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I have planned for now. So I'll talk to you guys later, and bye.